we are in Florence. Anytime we stumble across a market while we're out walking, we always have to stop for a quick peek.
So we started coming here for my belt, but now Mom and Dad are pretty convinced that they need leather jackets.
Right now we're going to a paper making place where first they show you how to marble it and then you get to make it yourself.
Wow. You see, you did it.
Ciao! Ciao,
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for watching Tic Tac Toy Family. Today we are in Italy. We are in the middle of an Italian tour, and the city we are in currently is Florence. Colin, you're greeting all of our neighbors this morning, aren't you?
If you don't know what mondo means, it means world. So I'm saying ciao mondo, and ciao means hello.
You're
and
saying
goodbye.
Hello to the world this morning. We are currently in our Florentine apartment. Everyone is getting ready today, and we're gonna go venture out into the city, and I would love to take you out with us as we explore the city and have some pretty exciting artisan adventures today. Addie, when you think of Florence, what comes to mind?
I think of the Renaissance. Florence is known for a bunch of its art and architecture, and there's still a bunch of it remaining from that time period, and I think it's really cool.
Before venturing too far in the day, we have to stop and get a pastry to make sure our stomachs are full and we have lots of energy for all the walking we're gonna do today. Perfect way to start your breakfast. Cream and chocolate chips. What more could you ask for? We're walking across the bridge right now that separates the south side of Florence to the north side of Florence. It's separated by the Arno River, which is right behind me, which is a gorgeous river. And traditionally, one side is more touristy, one side is a little more of like the local population. Our apartment we're staying on is more on the local side, so we're kind of venturing over to the other side right now this morning.
There is a lot of expensive jewelry along this bridge.
Addie, what in the world are you doing?
This boar is considered good luck if you rub its nose, and if you put a coin on its nose, I think in here.
In its mouth. Oh,
in its
okay,
mouth.
in there. Okay.
Oh, in its mouth. And if it falls, that's good luck.
And goes into there, maybe?
Yeah, it goes into the grate. I think it's good luck too.
It's extra luck if it goes into the grate.
I just rubbed it, and I can't imagine how many germs are actually on that thing.
Might need some hand sanitizer now.
Yeah.
Anytime we stumble across a market while we're out walking, we always have to stop for a quick peek.
This is the prettiest coin purse I saw in here. It's the prettiest shade, but they're all very pretty.
Lily loves green.
I love green.
We are going to Adam's leather shop. It's basically just handmade leather. There's belts and jackets I saw, and probably countless other things. And I'm so excited because as an equestrian, I love leather. My favorite boots are actually from Italy. And I'm gonna try and get a belt to match some of my tack.
How do I look?
Amazing.
Good?
Yep.
I like it. Now Jason's getting fitted for a jacket. So he's black?
I'm very wide.
Darker brown, this one here.
Okay, okay. We came here for a belt for Addie, but now we're getting fitted for jackets.
No, I don't like this one.
Yeah.
That's a no, Jason.
So we started coming here for my belt, but now Mom and Dad are pretty convinced that they need leather jackets, and they have both gotten fitted for it. Dad's gonna get his sleeves tailored to make sure they fit, and I'm pretty sure the majority of us are now getting leather products from the store. Yeah, I like this. I'm liking this thickness for like my riding breeches. But so far the only color that they have is like light brown and navy. But I want like a black to match my boots and stuff. We're just going all out, and I'm getting my initials engraved on the belt, and I'm so excited.
It is cool, isn't it?
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. That's so cool. Now I'm gonna try, but on a discard piece. It's like forward, backward.
That's it.
Oh, that's cool.
Good job. Be a leather maker, Addie.
Yeah, she'll make her own saddle horse.
Yep.
There we go. Florence is home to some of the most beautiful art museums in the entire world. The art and architecture here is incredible. I got to tour a lot of it when I came here 20 years ago, but on this trip we're just taking it in small doses, getting little tastes, little nibbles of it because we're here with kids, and realistically we know that Colin especially isn't going to hang walking through a museum for a few hours, so we're taking in what we can in small doses and still appreciating it. All right, are you going to drop it?
Got it.
Did you get it? Colin was feeling a little tuckered out, so he and Jason went up to take a rest with Maya. And Addie, Lily, and I are down here in a little square that's actually triangular shaped. And we wanted a little snack, but I realized I didn't have any money with me, so luckily Jason was able to throw down some euros for us from the window. You ready to go get a snack, girls?
Let's go get it. So here we have our bread. And we've noticed at restaurants, they just serve you bread. In America, we use like butter or oil or something, but they just serve us plain bread. And I mean, it's good bread, I'm not complaining. But it's just so weird how in America we have like butter and stuff, and here it's just plain.
And honey.
Yeah, and honey.
So this wall is for like if you ever lose something like a key or like a small picture. In Florence, this is where you go because they just hang them up.
Some poor little baby lost their toy here.
You could probably get into a bunch of cars and apartments with all these keys. If only you took the time to like search.
There are probably hundreds on this wall.
Oh yeah.
Right now we're going to a paper making place where first they show you how to marble it, they show you how to make it, and then you get to make it yourself. So excited for it.
Gelatin. And then you have the design on the paper. It's immediate.
We just watched a really cool demonstration, and now each of the kids are going to get to make their own paper.
You see, you did it.
Maria, who is helping us, is a 6th generation family member who's doing this business. They started back in the 1850s. Let's see it. Ooh. Our papers are being dried right now with a hair dryer, so we could take them home with us today. And I just think what a fun souvenir we have from Florence. These beautiful marbled papers handmade by each of the kiddos.
So we just did a 20-minute walk to reach Michelangelo's Plaza, which has an amazing view of all of Florence.
You remember what any of the landmarks are behind you, Addie?
I can notice some churches, I think. That's about it. I don't know the names of any of them.
This was actually part of the Roman wall.
Oh, really?
What are you two doing?
Taking photos.
Panoramic photos? The setting is so gorgeous up here, but the wind is starting to pick up, and then behind us there are some dark clouds. I don't know if you can see them on camera, but we're a little bit worried that a storm might be headed this way, so we probably gotta head down pretty soon. We outran the storm, thankfully, and on our way back to the apartment, Maya stopped to make a purchase for a skirt. She's been eyeing this all day. We've walked past the stand probably 3 times, and every time she's been peeking over, thinking about it, and she's decided she wants to spend a little bit of her souvenir money on matching skirts for herself and for her best friend back at home.
I can't really.
Did you get one for you and Layla? Oh, wow, those are so colorful. We are back in our apartment, and Maya's gonna try on her beautiful new Florentine skirt for you, and then Lily's gonna show off a beautiful Venetian skirt and outfit that she bought from Venice, Italy. You guys, the audience for our fashion show?
We're here. We're
You're
waiting.
here. All right, are you ready, Colin? All right, I think Maya's coming first. Let's see Maya.
Both of us are coming.
Oh, both of you. Gorgeous. I love it. Lily, what are you wearing?
I am wearing a beautiful poofy top from American Eagle.
I love it.
And then I got a gorgeous rose skirt from Venice. And a belt to go with it from Venice as well. Leather belt.
Ooh, I love it. Gorgeous. Maya, what are you wearing?
I am wearing a blue shirt that is probably from Target and a skirt that is from Florence,
Italy. Gorgeous girls.
They look awesome.
Maya, you've got an avant-garde look going now. Thank you so much for joining us in Florence, Italy, and hang tight because we've already been to Venice. We are in Florence now. We still have the Tuscan countryside to go to. We have Rome and the Amalfi Coast. So we're gonna have a lot more Italy content headed your way. Thanks for watching, guys.
XOXO!